Sweet place. Thanks, man. How'd you get it renovated so quickly?
Oh, I didn't think it'd be easy, but then it was. See, I was looking online for the best way to get the old place fixed up, and then my wife comes in and she's like, babe, I want this trim with these windows and the siding. And then I'm like, yeah, sure, we can do that. But then really I'm thinking, how the heck are we gonna do that? But then I look down and see this thing that could work. So this guy comes over from the sweet contracting company, and after we talk to him about what we want, he says, oh yeah, we can do that. And so my wife's like, great, where's your example materials so I can show you the ones we want? Then he's like, they're in my truck, but we got something way better called FastTrack. Get it? Because it's a faster track to getting all this renovation stuff done.
Clever.
So anyways, then he sits down and he's like, you want that trim? Done. You want these windows? Done. You want the siding? Done. So then I'm like, that's amazing. And then he's like, we're just getting started. So then he shows us this 3D model of our house, and I can see all the trim, the windows, and the siding, everything. But then my wife's like, we actually want this type of trim. I don't like how that one looks. So I'm like, really, honey? But then he clicks a couple buttons and changes it, and it's perfect. Then he prints off this report, including all the measurements and materials, and they get to work. So they come over and do some work, and now we got this. Then my wife's like, dang, it looks exactly like I imagined. Then I'm like, thank you, FastTrack.
Did you really say that?
Nah, then it sounds like a commercial.
Oh. You said it's called FastTrack?
Yeah.
So how do I get started?
I know a guy.